Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to add or create a subtask in Jira. So let's start. First, open your Jira account. And in this page, click on this Projects tab. And here, select the project that you want. For example, I will use this editing project. Once you have opened the project, select the task where you want to create a subtask. For example, I will select this YouTube task. Now here, to add a subtask, you simply need to click on this button, Add a Child Issue. That is just the same as the child task or what we call as a subtask. After that, enter in this box the title of the subtask. For example, I will type in Video Creating. Then after that, click on this Create button. And you can now see that the subtask has been created. You can click on it and here, you can add a description and a comment. Here, you can also choose the assignee and reporter. Then you can edit the priority where you can choose between highest, high, medium, low, and lowest. You can also enter the labels, due date, department, start date, and the category. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to add or create a subtask in Jira, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.